So again, I haven't really done this much before, but let's see if I can send myself a text message. I'm going to say get started with programmable SMS. All right, and I'm building my application. Looks like I can just click on just exploring. Let's see how I can do this really, really fast. Oh, first I have to get a Twilio phone number. So in order to send a message, I need a phone number. And this is my Twilio phone number. All right, so we'll choose this number. That's great. All right, I'm going to copy this number in case I need it. Let's click done. And by the way, a job of a programmer is to, well, most of the time, read documentation, Google around, and just figure out how things work in general. You're just a problem solver. All right, so we have send a message here. We have my phone number that I just received. And let's see over here in the right, request, it looks like, oh yeah, look at that. I can click on Python and it shows me exactly, how cool is this? Exactly what code I need to send my message. All right, and it gives me even the auth token and the SID. And it looks like the auth token I'll have to grab. All right, in the next video, we're going to copy this code and try to send myself a text message. Let's see if it works.